my name is Miss Karen. I'm with the Jefferson County 4-H, and I'm here today to show you how to do a fun Wally Cat Pizza. And it involves using English muffins. We are going to use the pineapple, and then we have our pizza sauce right here, and then we have our yummy mozzarella cheese, okay? The recipe that I do have does call for the chunks in the pineapple, but today I'm using the tidbits because they're a little bit smaller. So I like to use the smaller. So first what we want to do is we're going to take our English muffin out of our bag, and then we're going to just tear it apart. It's already pre-cut, so it's easy to just pull it apart here. Then we're going to take our pizza sauce, and we're just going to get about a spoonful. And then we're going to spread it on our English muffin. This is a really fun project to do with kids. They love it. Then we're going to do the same with the other. You can put as much on it or as little as you like, just depending on what you like to do. Okay? All right, now I do want to also let you know that your oven, you're going to be baking this, okay? So your oven needs to be set at about 350 to 375, okay? So the next thing that we're going to do is we are going to add our green peppers. Now if you want, you can put your cheese. It's up to you, however you like it. Some people like to put their cheese on right after the tomato sauce. I like to put my cheese on the top, but you can do it however you like to. Okay, this time I'm going to add just a little bit of cheese on each one right now, and then I'm going to top it off with the pineapples. This is very easy and simple to do. And I'm going to take my spoon and get some pineapples out of here. And then you just want to place the pineapples around on top. I'm getting a little bit of a mountain here. It's okay. Alright. And then if you like, you can always just top it off with a little bit more mozzarella cheese. That's up to you. The more cheese, the better, in my opinion. We're going to just top a little bit off so that way it holds your little pineapples in place. It's okay if it the cheese runs down on your tray. So I've got my tray here that we're going to put it on. Just going to slide it right over here. Alright, so now we're ready to bake. So we're going to put it in there for about 5-10 minutes as long as the cheese gets melted, okay? And I will be back. Hello, we're back and our pizzas are done. It took about 10 minutes to cook in the oven. So I'm going to pull them out right now. Ooh, yum. And there is our finished product of our Wally Cat Pizza. Now I do want to tell you all that what you can do if you want is you don't have to go by the exact ingredients on our recipe that I've used here today. You can add pepperoni, you can add sausage, you could have hamburger meat, you could add anything that you like. Just fix your pizza how you would like to fix your pizza with your family at home. And I hope you check out our library for any recipes and cookbooks so you can cook fun at home with your family. Thank you.